Hello and welcome to Only Social, your all-in-one social media management solution. In today's video, we will be exploring one of our most powerful and highly requested features, the Unified Inbox. With the Unified Inbox, you can manage direct messages and comments from Facebook, Instagram, Mastodon, and Blue Sky. You can also monitor and respond to comments on Threads, YouTube, Reddit, LinkedIn pages, and even Google Business Reviews, all from within Only Social's Unified Inbox, without having to switch between individual social media platforms. Say goodbye to the hassle of juggling multiple apps and tabs. In this tutorial, you will learn how to efficiently manage your social media inboxes and comments using Only Social's Unified Inbox. So, let's get started. From your Only Social account dashboard, click on the Unified Inbox. This is your central hub, where you can manage inbox messages and comments across all your connected social media accounts. If there's an unread message or comment, a small blue dot will appear next to the corresponding account, indicating new message or comment in the inbox. Once you are inside the Unified Inbox, you can organize your conversations using filters. At the top, you will find options such as All, Unread, Read, and Assigned, allowing you to sort conversations based on their status. These filters help streamline your workflow by highlighting messages that require attention or have already been addressed. Additionally, conversations are categorized into chats and comments, allowing you to focus on different types of interactions. You can further refine your search using keywords or by filtering conversations by tags or time period. To respond to conversation, simply select a chat or comment for which you want to respond to. The inbox message will open, providing you with a range of features to enhance your interaction. You can add internal notes, use emojis, or attach media files to your conversation. If you have a standard response for frequently asked questions as a reply, you can save it for quick access by clicking the plus icon and selecting Saved Messages for rapid replies. Additionally, you can also leverage AI to generate suitable replies, ensuring your responses are both timely and appropriate. In case a conversation requires another team member's expertise, you can assign it to a teammate. However, before you can assign conversations, you must first grant that team member access to the Unified Inbox. To do this, go to your profile and click Settings. Click on the team and select the team member you want to grant access to. Edit their role and enable the Access Inbox permission. Click Update. This will activate the inbox feature in the team member's account. Now, to assign a conversation within your team, go back to the Unified Inbox. Click on the conversation you wish to assign. On the right side of the conversation, click the human icon to open the list of team members. Select a team member, click Assign, then click Done. The assigned team member will receive an email notification and can begin managing the conversation directly from the assigned conversations list in their Unified Inbox. You can add a tag to a conversation. Tagging allows you to add topic or labels to conversations, which is useful for organizing and categorizing interactions. This feature can help you quickly identify the nature or subject of a conversation, making it easier to manage and prioritize tasks. Beyond DMs, you can also manage comments on platforms like YouTube, Reddit, LinkedIn pages, and Google Business Reviews, all within the Only Social Unified Inbox. This concludes our tutorial on managing your inbox and comments across all your social platforms using Only Social's Unified Inbox. With these tools, you can streamline your social media management, ensuring no message or comment is overlooked. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. and happy social managing with Only Social.